In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a fun animated word sticker using Canva. Whether you're sprucing up a digital project or looking to add some flair to your social media posts, these animated stickers can be a great touch. First, we need to open Canva, your go-to design tool for this task. If you're not familiar with Canva, it's a versatile platform that makes graphic design accessible for everyone, regardless of experience. So, let's dive in. Once you have Canva open, the first thing you want to do is prepare your design. Choose a canvas size that fits your project. If you're using it for social media, a square dimensions like 1080 x 1080 pixels is often a safe choice, but feel free to select what suits your needs. Once your design area is ready, navigate over to Elements in the left-hand panel. This is where Canva houses a vast array of design options, including our focus, stickers. In the search bar within the Elements tab, type Word Stickers. You'll be met with an array of animated sticker options. These are great for catching the eye, so take a moment to browse through the selection. Feel free to choose whichever sticker speaks to you and your design needs. There's no right or wrong choice here. It's all about personal preference and what fits your aesthetic. Now that you've picked your sticker, simply click on it. This action will place the sticker onto your canvas. You can now adjust its size to better fit your design. Drag the corners of the sticker to resize it. It's important to remember that maintaining the aspect ratio will keep it looking crisp, so be mindful as you make adjustments. Once you're happy with how everything looks, it's time to bring your design to life as an animated file. To do this, you'll want to go to the Share button, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it, and you'll see the option to download your creation. Here, under the File Type menu, make sure to select GIF. This format supports animation, which is perfect for our sticker. Finally, once you've ensured everything is set up correctly, click Download. Your animated word sticker is now ready to be shared with the world, adding a dynamic flair to your digital communications. Creating animated stickers in Canva is a simple yet effective way to enhance your projects creatively. With these steps, you're all set to make vibrant and eye-catching designs effortlessly. Happy creating, happy.